Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bake these pretty marshmallow and coconut biscuits. Start off by making the biscuit dough by creaming some butter and sugar together in a bowl, and then add in your egg, salt, vanilla extract, and coconut extract, and whisk this together until it's nice and creamy. Add in the flour and mix until the mixture is crumbly. Put the wooden spoon to one side and use your hands to gather this into a dough. Put some flour on your work surface and put the dough on it and gently pat it down. Use a rolling pin to roll out the dough until it is this thick, and I'm going to use the patterned side of my cookie cutter and stamp out shapes in the dough. Just use the stamp to just go around it and cut as many shapes as you can. When you're finished stamping out the cookies, remove the excess dough and put it to one side. And then lift up the biscuits and put them on a prepared baking tray. Put the tray in the fridge and let the biscuits firm up. A few minutes before they're ready, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake these in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're slightly golden brown around the edges. Leave them on the baking tray for about a minute and then remove them and put them on a cooling rack to cool completely. While your biscuits are cooling, it's time to make the icing for them. Put some marshmallows and butter in a bowl and then melt these together and stir. Add in your icing sugar and mix until it's nice and smooth. Get your cooled biscuits and spread some of the marshmallow mixture on it. Just spread it and make sure your biscuit is covered. And then sprinkle some desiccated coconut on top and leave these to set. When they've set, just put them on a plate and then serve them. I'm going to take a bite and show you what they look like inside. As you can see, they're nice and baked through and they taste great. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com.